Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this Friday's video, I decided to do a quick little 10-minute relaxing clean with me just to give you some instant motivation to get up and do something for 10 minutes. Whether you need to watch this video to get the motivation and then clean, or whether you are the type of person who likes to watch the video and clean at the same time, I hope that you can get something done within these 10 minutes, and I challenge you and make you challenge yourself to try to get something done, whether it's laundry, folding some, putting some in the wash, or you need to get your dishes done real quick and wipe down your countertops. Maybe you need to vacuum, whatever it is that you may need to do, just so that you can sit down tonight and have a relaxing Friday evening with your family. I am just starting in my room like I normally do, and on this particular day I decided to light a candle just because I wanted it to feel very relaxing when I was done cleaning. And I'm going to go ahead and spray some of this Mrs. Meyer's lavender room spray as well. I love this stuff so much. It smells so good, you guys. It will last for days too. I'm sitting here doing this voiceover the next day and I can still smell it. But I also need to get some laundry done myself, so I'm going to fold this, and then I have a quick little lunch idea. It's very healthy, it's very yummy, and I will show you that when I am done with my laundry.
You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming, I might be dreaming.
So for lunch today, I decided to take one of these extreme wellness spinach and herb wraps, and I'm going to be putting one of these tuna deli style packets on there. And I just have some lettuce and tomatoes that I already pre-washed over there, and I'm just going to slice up my tomatoes. I'm going to spread the tuna on there and then lay on my lettuce and tomatoes. And this was a really quick, easy, healthy lunch. I love these wraps, especially if you've never tried these things. They are so good. I think they only have 4 carbs, and they're pretty low in calories as well, so I definitely recommend those. But this was just a quick, easy lunch. I didn't have a lot of time because I was trying to get this video done while my daughter was taking a nap. So on days like this where I'm filming and I only have a couple of hours to get things done completely while she's sleeping, I do try to opt for very quick lunches like this.
Giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine.
Okay, and now back to cleaning. I'm just going to start by unloading my dishwasher. There wasn't a ton of stuff in there like there normally is. I just went ahead and started it the night before, even though it wasn't completely full, just because I knew I was going to be filming some dinner recipes this night, and I wanted my kitchen to be completely clean, and I wanted to be able to load dishes as I go. And so if y'all are interested in Monday's video, I am doing 5 dinner recipe ideas for the family. They're very quick and easy and mostly healthy. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that video will be coming out on Monday. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish unloading my dishwasher, and then I'm going to load up the few dishes that we had used that morning.
I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your loving is all that I need. It's all that I need. All I need is your loving. All I need is your loving. It's all that I need. Your loving is all that I need. Your loving is all that I need. It's all that I need.
Okay, so moving into my daughter's playroom, it is a wreck, as you can see, and normally she does help me clean this. There are times throughout the day where I may come in here if it's really bad when she's napping or something and just try to pick it up real quick for her. I like things to be in order in here because I feel like it helps her want to come in here and play more and use her imagination and be creative. But most of this stuff is just all of her kitchen stuff, her little play food and play dishes, so I'm just going to put that back away in her kitchen.
So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright.
And I just wanted to take a second to show you guys this little wardrobe station that my husband made for all of her little play clothes and play shoes. I just thought it was so cute. I found it off of Pinterest and he made it for me in like a couple of hours, but it was just one of her things for her birthday that we did for her.
But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we.
So I let my daughter have some of those little Crayola bath color fizzy things, and it totally stained our little mat that we have in there for her. And so I'm gonna try to bleach that out of there, and then I just need to pick up all these towels, wipe everything down in here, and sweep and just completely clean this whole space.
Don't need you here to feel alright.
Y'all, my laundry room is so out of order right now, but when we're done with it, it's gonna look so good. I know I've talked before, we are working on our pantry right now, and my husband has gone back to work full time, so it's not going as fast as we were hoping, but as soon as we're done with our pantry, we're going to be working on our laundry room and getting that totally done, and I'm going to have a full video for both of those things, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're interested in seeing how those turn out.
The way you comfort me, still it's not enough. It's not enough. I don't need it, no.
So bleaching this did not take all the color out of this. I had to rinse and rinse and rinse it as well just to get it all out of there, all the bleach out of there. That way it didn't get on my daughter's skin when I was giving her a bath. But yeah, just beware if you give your kids any of those Crayola bath fizz things, they will stain.
Go. that nobody knows. Trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical. Think that I'm gonna explode. Echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come me. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind.
Okay guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope that you got something done in these 10 minutes, or you watched this video and now you feel motivated to get up and do something for the next 10 minutes. And I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday. Bye.
Feel left to figure out your music and all of my